Hey everyone, this is Christy from Robotics, and today I'll be showing you a new activity that I couldn't really think of a good name for, so maybe you guys can suggest some, but I called it See Color, Play Sound, which is essentially all it does. You'll be using two cool components, the first being the color sensor on the Fable Spin, and this sensor can basically detect and differentiate colors that it sees. And the second one is the play sound file block in your software. So this one you can upload any .wave sound files into your, I think it's Fable sound file folder. And then it could be an audio recording or it could be any music that you find online and you can directly play it. So in this activity specifically, I had Fable Spin see different colors on the floor, and according to the color, it would play an audio recording of me talking, and it's one word per color. So you'll see that it's actually saying a sentence in the end. This activity turned out pretty well, so you'll see it a bit, but most importantly, it's a good basis for you to expand on and make bigger, better activities or projects with. So I hope you have a great time. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe down below. Thanks, see you!
Hey everyone, this is Fable Spin.
Because the body when it crashes, if you have to restart the app, you have to
Hey everyone,
so probably the
this
system using like
is
okay, well, could you try I think this to go back? But just an issue. What is?
Hey everyone, this is Fable Spin.
And bad visibility. I saw it perfect, Christy.
Yes! Okay, now you do it.
Hey everyone, this is Fable Spin.
Also, what is yesterday I have different. It seemed like these two had like a radio camera, and my dog.
It worked! Oh my god! I have footage of it working.